The cougar, also known as the puma, mountain lion, catamount, and panther, is a large cat native to the Americas. Its range spans from the Canadian Yukon to the southern Andes in South America. It is the most widely distributed large wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. The conservation status of cougars varies across their range. In some areas, they are listed as a species of least concern, while in others, they are considered endangered or have specific protections. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and conflicts with humans are among the major threats to cougar populations. Although cougars generally avoid humans, conflicts can arise when their territories overlap with human settlements. Attacks on humans are rare, but they can occur, particularly if a cougar feels threatened or is unable to find its usual prey. In such cases, it is important to follow appropriate safety measures and contact local wildlife authorities. Adult cougars typically measure about 1.5 to 2.7 meters in length from the nose to the tip of the tail. Cougars stand about 60 to 90 centimeters tall at the shoulder. Adult cougars usually weigh between 40 to 90 kilograms. However, males are generally larger and heavier than females. Male cougars can weigh between 60 to 90 kilograms, while female cougars typically weigh between 40 to 60 kilograms. Cougars typically have a tawny coat that can vary in coloration. The specific color of a cougar's coat can vary based on factors such as geographic location and individual variation. Many cougars have a reddish-brown or light brown coloration as their primary coat color. This hue can range from a light sandy color to a darker reddish tone. Some cougars have a grayish-brown coat color, which can appear more muted or faded compared to the reddish-brown variation. This coloration is often observed in cougars living in regions with rocky or forested habitats. In some cases, cougars may exhibit a lighter or silvery coloration, particularly in their underparts or along their backs. This paler color variation is more commonly seen in younger cougars. Cougars are solitary animals, meaning they typically prefer to live and hunt alone. They establish and defend their territories, which can vary in size depending on factors such as prey availability and habitat quality. Male cougars have larger territories that may overlap with multiple female territories. Cougars are primarily crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. However, they can also be active during the night or daytime if conditions favor it. This behavior allows them to take advantage of low light conditions for hunting while minimizing encounters with potential competitors or human activity. Cougars are known as ambush predators, relying on stealth and patience to stalk and ambush their prey. They have powerful hind legs, enabling them to leap long distances to pounce on their unsuspecting prey. Cougars typically target ungulates such as deer, elk, or moose, but they can also prey on smaller animals like rodents, rabbits, or even domestic livestock. Cougars mark their territories with scent markings, including urine, feces, and scratching trees. These markings help them establish and defend their territories, communicate with other cougars, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Cougars are highly agile and skilled climbers. They can ascend trees with ease, which allows them to escape threats, observe their surroundings, or stash kills. Cougars are also capable swimmers and can cross bodies of water when necessary. Although cougars generally avoid humans, conflicts can arise when their territories overlap with human settlements. Attacks on humans are rare, but they can occur, particularly if a cougar feels threatened or is unable to find its usual prey. In such cases, it is important to follow appropriate safety measures and contact local wildlife authorities. Cougars are relatively silent animals compared to some other large cats. However, they do produce a variety of vocalizations for different purposes. Cougars emit deep, low-pitched growls, often as a warning to potential threats or as a means of asserting dominance. Growls can also be used during confrontations with other cougars. While cougars do not roar like some other big cats, they can produce a similar sound referred to as a roar. Cougar roars are deep and can be quite intimidating, often used to establish territory boundaries or during mating displays. When feeling threatened or agitated, cougars may hiss, producing a sharp, high-pitched sound. This vocalization is often accompanied by bared teeth and a defensive posture. Cougars are known for their unique vocalization called a chirp or whistle. It is a high-pitched sound that is often associated with communication between mother cougars and their young. It can also be used during social interactions between individuals. When a cougar feels threatened or aggressive, it may snarl, producing a guttural, harsh sound. This vocalization is often accompanied by baring teeth and a tense body posture. Similar to domestic cats, cougars can purr as a sign of contentment or relaxation. The purr is a soft, rhythmic sound produced during moments of comfort or bonding. Cougars are carnivorous predators and their diet primarily consists of meat. They are opportunistic hunters and their prey selection depends on the availability and abundance of different animals in their habitat. The primary food source for cougars is ungulates, such as deer, elk, and moose. They are capable of taking down prey that is several times their own size. Cougars are stealthy hunters and use their powerful hind legs to pounce on their prey, delivering a bite to the neck to immobilize it. Apart from ungulates, cougars also prey on smaller mammals like rabbits, hares, rodents, and occasionally small livestock like sheep or calves. They are known to be adaptable and can adjust their diet based on what is available in their environment. Male cougars may travel long distances in search of receptive females, and competition between males for mating opportunities can occur. Dominant males tend to have a higher chance of mating, as they can establish territories that encompass the home ranges of several females. Once a male and female cougar come into contact, they may spend several days together, engaging in courtship behaviors that include vocalizations, rubbing against each other, and play fighting. Mating typically occurs multiple times during this period. After successful mating, the male cougar will generally leave the female, and she will go through a gestation period of approximately 90 to 96 days. Cougars usually give birth to a litter of 1 to 6 cubs, with the average litter size being 2 to 3 cubs. The cubs are born blind and helpless, and the female provides all the care for them. The cubs remain with their mother for about 1.5 to 2 years, during which they learn essential hunting and survival skills. After this period, they become independent and disperse to find their own territories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.